All right, it's perfect time for homemade ice cream. All right, guys. How's the ice cream, Joseph?
Awesome!
How's the ice cream?
And we're going to our grandparents' house tomorrow to shoot off fireworks and make home. So we're making homemade ice cream today, and then we're going to eat ice cream tomorrow for a swim party and shooting off fireworks. Kaboom!
Does it smell good? How's it smell?
It's still
Stop, don't.
It's still liquidy.
Is it good? All right.
We're just getting the mixer in so we can start it up.
All right. Should we freeze it?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's get this ice cream going, and let's do this.
Bring it over here.
We have a lot of salt.
Salt. Okay. And then, what do we have?
We have an ice chest full of ice, and the treasure is open.
All right.
And then we pour it in, and then we do the salt. I'm okay. The salt looks like rocks.
It's rock salt. All right, here we go. Starting
Now.
All right, let's check it. It's been going for 15 minutes. Let's see what it looks like.
2, 1, go.
Oh, it's starting to come together. Needs more time.
Now look it.
How's it look?
Oh, it looks delicious.
How does it look so far?
Delicious.
Is it good? Okay.
That's good.
That's good. Eleanor, that's good. You had some?
Oh, Rocky had some. Yeah, Rocky had some, Dad.
Rocky, how was it? Is that good?
Yes, it was.
All right, let's go longer.
Dad. No, please.
Okay, you okay?
Wow.
You think it's gonna be ready? Eleanor, you think it's gonna be ready? Okay. All right, our secret this time is gonna be mini chocolate chips. Not a lot, just mini. Okay, we ready? All right, should we lift it? Okay, no tasting this time. Oh, look at it, it's right there.
Right there.
I don't know if this is gonna work.
But we shouldn't put it in last time.
We should have put it in last time.
But these are mini, it'll fit.
I don't think it's gonna fit. All right, so we gotta make room because it expanded. Here we go. All right, lift it up. Here's my helpers. Okay. Okay, so we gotta scoop it into this. Everybody here.
I need one. That's my taste one. All in. All in?
All in.
On the other side too. I know.
What do we want?
Extra chocolatey.
Got it?
Yeah.
All right. Put that back on.
In the bottom though.
All right, ready?
Set, go.
All right, it's done. We test it?
3, 2.
Should we test it?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa.
That looks good. Hey, don't put your fingers in it. All right, let's go over here. Okay, you have ice cream on your nose. All right, look at that.
Can I test it?
No,
Oh.
we already tested it. So what we're gonna do is put it into this.
Do it.
Let's do this. Okay, so we go. There we go.
Can I do one? Can I use yours, Dad?
How's the ice cream?
Good.
Hold on. I don't think. Hey. All right, guys. How's the ice cream, Joseph?
Awesome!
How's the ice cream? I think the ice cream's awesome. Thanks for watching.